Just want to do a public service announcement today that might save you some trouble on the road. Today we're going to talk about merging and traffic circles. Traffic circles can be confusing because we just hadn't seen them for years and now they seem to be everywhere. So here's a tip on traffic circles. Remember, if there's traffic in the circle, you're required to yield to them. And you're also required to yield to people on your left. Now, we grew up learning how to drive, always yield to the right, but in a traffic circle, you yield to the left for the right of way. Crazy, but that's the way it is. The other thing we want to talk about is merging onto the highway, Interstate 375, 62, whatever you want to say. When you merge onto the road, you are required to yield for traffic that's already on the road. Drivers on that interstate or on that highway are not required to let you in or yield for you. And if there's an accident, most likely the merging vehicle will be cited. So just keep those things in mind. It might save you from an accident. It just wants to keep you safe on the road. So if you have any questions, want any more tips, come by Collision Experts in Fleet Service. We'll be happy to help you. 8914 Gateway East.